So if you want to just briefly introduce yourself and show me what this is all about.
Yeah, hello, I'm Fred from Analog Sweden. And this is the Analog Sweden Swedish Enigiser. So it's based on the Organ Systems Enigiser, which was a UK synthesizer from the mid-90s. So that one wasn't manufactured in many units, so we picked up one in about 2019, and then it had become pretty popular in sort of niche techno circuits, and people started using it and went up in price. So I thought it was the right time to maybe make a clone out of it. And this is where we are today. So we reversed engineered it, and this is the original part of it, which is one oscillator multi-mode synth with 3 envelopes, and yeah, just lots of routing possibilities. And then we added this extra part, which is the expander part. And this was available only as a header inside in the original unit. So probably they wanted to make something in the future, but they never did it. So we documented what it was, because it's not available, no documentation available anywhere. So basically you have all the inputs and outputs for sound and CV, and also we have added gate boosters, so you can trigger it using Eurorack. Also MIDI CV, 5-pin input on the back, so you can use it with MIDI. Not available in the original either, and added noise circuit as well.
I really like this too. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I just wanted to make like a visual representation that it's actually expanded compared to the original unit.
Can you play a little bit for us?
Yeah, sure. So I'm going to do the typical acid stuff here.
Of course, hell yeah.
Yeah. So it's kind of I think he was influenced very much by the 303. Originally, but it can do so much more. But I'm going to do the acid stuff right now.
Amazing. Do it.
It's so loud here.
Yeah.
Okay. Sub bass. So that's the attack you turn up, so.
Okay. What's the availability on this?
So we have a few units available now. We sold most of the first batch.
Okay.
It's only manufactured in 50 units, first batch. But yesterday we released a DIY kit also that you can get.
No way!
Yeah, so you can get it from analogsweden.com.
Does the DIY kit come with everything?
So we have a few options. Either you get the pure vanilla kit,
okay,
and then you get the enclosure, all the hardware, the knobs, everything, and the boards, of course.
Yeah.
What you don't get is the components.
Okay.
You have to get them like a mouse or a cart.
Yeah.
So you have to get some extra stuff for like 100, 150 euros.
Okay.
But then there you have an option to buy the pre-built main board. And that one is tested and calibrated by us.
Okay.
Obviously a bit more expensive, but then you get everything to buy to build it.
Yeah.
So that is a little bit more expensive. So I can show you the insides also.
Yes,
here.
please.
So this is a stainless steel enclosure, UV printed, laser cut.
Oh, nice.
So here we have this is the front panel board. This is a switchboard, and this is the main board that we extended to put the MIDI CV converter. And this is all through hole. There are some SMD stuff, but you don't have to solder it. It comes all pre-soldered from us. And this is the expander part. This is what we did, what we added to this unit. So basically, and you have to do some wiring also.
Okay.
So this is basically the whole schnitzel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for showing me this. I'm definitely going to keep my eye on it. And for the acid heads, this is like a must.
Yeah, I think so too. Okay.
Welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Great. See ya.